Hello, my dear kids. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to our e-class of St. Joseph's Academy. This video is for class nursery, subject English, topic write first letter for the picture. Dear kids, in our previous video, you have studied about alphabets, uppercase letters A to M. Hope you practiced that work nicely with the help of your parents at home. Let's begin with the new topic. Write first letter for the picture. Let's start with our oral portion. What is this? Oh yes, this is the picture of an apple. Means A for apple. So, what is the first letter for the picture? The first letter for the picture is A. A is the first letter for the picture of apple. Yes, now we will come on our next picture. Our next picture is of ball. B for ball. And what is the first letter? B is the first letter for the picture. Cat. C for cat. This is the picture of a cat. And C is the first letter for the picture. This is the picture of a dog. D for dog. And D is the first letter for the given picture. Now turn for the next picture. Our next picture is of an elephant. Elephant. E for elephant. And the first letter for this picture is E. Fish. This is the picture of a fish. And first letter for this picture is F. Our next picture is of grapes. G for grapes. And first letter for the picture is G. This is the picture of hut. H for hut. And H is the first letter for the given picture. Now is the turn for next picture. Our next picture is ice cream. Picture of an ice cream. And I is the first letter for the picture. Jug. This is the picture of jug. J for jug. And J is the first letter for the picture. Now we will come on next picture. Our next picture is of kite. K for kite. And what is the first letter? The first letter for the picture is K. Our next picture is of leaf. L for leaf. And first letter for the picture is L. This is our next picture of mango. And first letter for the picture is M. First letter for the picture is M. So dear student, this was our oral portion. Now we will do our written portion. So my dear students, now we will do our written portion. For this, dear parents, you have to prepare on a copy a pattern like this as I have prepared for the students. For this, you will write the topic on the top, date, classwork, like, and you can draw the pictures with color, and after the picture you will draw dots for writing the letter, and this type of pattern you have to make up to M, starting from the apple and up to mango. You have to draw this type of pattern for the kids. So now we will start from this side, first page. Now left side upper corner you will write date. I did not mention the date because you have to write the date on which you will do your work. And right side you will write CW like classwork. You will write here CW. After that you will write the heading for the topic. Write as our topic is and our heading is, write first letter for the picture that I have mentioned here. Like this you will write on the copy. After that you will draw picture. You can color the picture as I have done to attract the students so that they can take interest in their work, because they easily attract with the colored picture. Yes, so now we will start. My dear students, you will write on dots. You will not go out of the line. You have to write on line. So our first picture is apple. Our first picture is A for apple. So what is the first letter for this picture? The first letter for this picture is A. So we will write, means students, you will write here A on dots. You have to write in line. Remember, you have to write in line. Don't go out of the line. A. First letter for this picture is A. A. First letter for this picture is A. Our second picture is ball. This is the picture of ball. And what will be the first letter? B. You will write here B. First curve, then second curve. Now our next picture is like cat. C-A-T, cat. C for cat. So what will be the first letter I have told you? C. C. C is the first letter for the picture of a cat. Now we will turn the page. This is the picture of a dog. We will write first letter for dog. First letter for the picture of dog is D. You will write here D. Now we will come on the picture of elephant. So we will write here the first letter for the picture of an elephant. So E is the first letter. We will write here E. Remember, dear students, you will write on dots, in line. You will not go out of the line. You will not go out of the line. So this E is the first letter for the picture of elephant. Now this is the picture of a fish. And what will be the first letter? F will be the first letter for this picture. So you will write here F. Dots on dots. F. This is the picture of fish and first letter is F. Now we will turn the page again. Now we will come on our next picture. Our next picture is grapes. G for grapes. So G is the first letter for this picture. G. Yes. G is the first letter for this picture. G. G is the first letter for the picture of grapes. Now this is the picture of hut. This is the picture of a hut. We will make H. Slipping line, second slipping line, then join with slipping line. Now this is the picture of an ice cream. We will write I here. I as a first letter. I is the first letter for ice cream. Yes, I is the first letter for ice cream. Now we will come on our next picture. This is the picture of a jug. We will write here J, as J is the first letter for the picture of jug. You will go up to this line, here only, in the middle of the line. You will not touch the middle line. You will go up to here, J. This is J, and J is the first letter for the picture of jug. Kite. K for kite. What will be the first letter? K. We will write here K like this. Now we will join like. K is the first letter for the picture kite. Leaf. This is the picture of leaf and first letter is L. This is the first letter. L is the first letter for the picture of leaf. Now we will come on the picture of mango. Mango. M is the first letter. Now we will write M. Down, up, down. M is the first letter for the picture of mango. So we have done up to mango, up to M. Now we will repeat once again from the starting. I repeat. Yes, in the left side upper corner we will write today's date. Today's means on which day you will do your work. Okay. And in right corner you will write CW as classwork. After that you will write topic name. Then we will start from the picture to write the letter. First picture is an apple. So you will write the first letter is A. What is the first letter for the picture of apple? The A is the first letter for the picture of apple. Second one is ball. B is the first letter for the picture of ball. Next is cat. C is the first letter for the picture of cat. Now turn on next page. We will come here. This is the picture of dog. We have written here D as the first letter for this picture. D is the first letter for the picture of dog. Now elephant. E is the first letter for the picture of an elephant. Fish. F is the first letter for the picture of a fish. Now grapes. This is the turn for grapes. G is the first letter for the picture of grapes. Hut. H for hut. And H is the first letter for the picture of hut. Ice cream. This is the picture of an ice cream. And I is the first letter for the picture of an ice cream. Now this is the turn for the picture of jug. J is the first letter for the picture of jug. Now kite. K is the first letter for the picture of kite. K is the first letter. Leaf. L is the first letter for the picture of leaf. Mango. This is M. M is the first letter for the picture of mango. M is the first letter. So now we have revised these pictures for the letter A to M. So my dear kids, as I have told you in our oral portion also, you have done in oral portion with me. Now we have done this written portion also. So I hope you will do this work in your copy very neatly like me. Dear parents, I repeat, you will draw this type of format for your child in his or her copy very neatly so that they will be able to write the first letter for the picture. Remember, you have to draw the dots. So in this video, this much is enough. We will come in our next video with the new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.